Hi guys, welcome back. So this is me the day before the beach day. I was cutting up the hear me outs because I work like a dog for my friends, and this is another evidence of me working like a dog for my friends. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. to make those sly little foxes egg mayo. So this is me just boiling the eggs, peeling the eggs, and I peeled each hard-boiled egg individually with my not extremely, but my long nails. Okay, that took a while. And then this is me mashing up the eggs and adding some mayo to it to make egg mayo. So the reason why I made egg mayo today is because my name is Mathea Kwan, right? And like eggs and cucumbers with a K, you know. So yeah, this is me chopping up the cucumbers, and stuffing it into a bag. And I also bought crackers to eat along with it. Yups. Say hi.
Time.
Say hi.
Hello. We're early.
Hi guys. Guys, say hi to my vlog. Okay, we're at NTUC now because everyone is super late, and we're gonna buy the drinks, the mat, and I don't know what else, cutlery and stuff. Guess who arrived? And Nisha too. Okay, now who are we waiting for? Everyone say it together. Gladys. And she's not here yet. Oh, guys, say hi.
Oh my god.
Everyone wave. Everyone wave.
Hobos.
Oh, it's over there. It's over there. Oh. Gladys just came. Lisha, Kate, wave. Where's it? Okay, it's all of us. Victoria's here in Spring. Imagine she's there. Okay, we're going to the beach. Guys, wave. Guys, wave. Guys, wave.
You know I earned like $70 from Carousel.
We don't know where to go, and half of them aren't swimming.
Which station?
Wait, what did you say just now? So you say your Paris, France thing.
Mona Lisa is in.
Where? Or where?
Say like that. She didn't say like that. She asked me, did you see the Mona Lisa?
And then she was in Italy.
And then after she's like,
Tweedledum.
oh, and
Tweedledee.
after that she was like,
I'm vlogging.
no, I went in the car again. I'm gonna change into my slippers. Wait, then what? Wait, why didn't you just say? How far do you want to walk?
No.
I'm Kate and I brought crisps. I'm Nina and I brought margarita pizza.
Margarita!
Oh, sorry guys. That's one's grapes. I'm Gladys and I brought grapes. I'm Lisha, Anika, and I brought Louisiana rub, lemon pepper chicken, and assorted candies.
Oh!
I'm Irene and I brought the irresistible brownies.
I'm Econ and I brought eggs and cucumber. Guys, look back and wave.
Can someone rip
Lisha,
this? Oh, sorry.
Mina.
Someone rip this tape out for me. I'll do it. Oh, this. Wait, this is one.
I'm Anne, and these are my hear me outs. Young Xi Jinping. What? Meta face. The dad from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. City Hall MRT. Le Chatelier's principal. And Harry S. Truman, President of the United States.
That is.
Former president.
Sunscreen.
I'm Irene, and these are my hear me outs. Tigers from Kung Fu Panda. Victor from Arcane. ChatGPT from somewhere. And Hiccup from How to Train Your Dragon.
I was gonna bring sunglasses, but like, I'm Kate and these are my Hear Me Outs. Nightwing. Kai from Ninjago. This guy from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And last but not least, Mountain Dew. I'm Gladys and these are my Hear Me Outs. Jack Frost.
I know, right?
Oh, boo! This is my favorite. It's my man, bro. My lion. The guy's brother from Big Hero 6. He died.
What?
Yeah,
Why is he upside down?
and then
Just wait.
Puss in the boot. Puss in boot. Because his voice is really. Put it at the back. Put it at the back.
His voice is really hot.
Okay.
I'm Nisha and these are my Hear Me Out. First one is Ethan from Never Have I Ever. Next is Mayor Paul from Ginny and Georgia. Prince Zuko from Avatar. And Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, let me put this at the front. Yeah, okay. I'm Mina and these are my Hear Me Out. Hold on. The It Clown. Lightning McQueen. Diego from Dora the Explorer. And Chase from Paw Patrol. Hurry.
Okay.
It's a video, it's a video.
Bro just polluted the ocean with her cup.
It's going to my nose.
I think seawater just went in my throat.
I think Coke went in my nose. Oh, I can taste it in my nose.
I can taste it in my nose. Let's not cut back and go back.
Yeah, wait, I need to like wash my cup. She's washing her cup. Okay, chunk. Okay, I'm just gonna chunk the rest. Gombe, go, what's up?
Say hi, guys. Oh my god. Where's your river? There!
The trend line is looking kind of bad.
Where?
Nice.
Wait, guys, let's make a heart in the
Wait, Gladys.
Why don't you just use your hands, guys? Let me use my hands.
Okay.
Then use your hands. Yeah.
We're digging a heart right now.
Guys, you guys are really slow. Okay, let me do it.
Oh shit.
My vibe is just not.
What's your vibe then?
Just not on the beach.
How about in the city?
Can you imagine me as a beach girl?
Okay,
Because I
fine.
can't.
No, how about those like cottage countryside areas?
Fuck no. Does it look like I can stay at a cottage?
I can't even see the camera.
Okay, then
I just
you're-
hope I'm
are you
inside.
city girl?
Yeah, I like this. No, I'm if the guy that I have a dog. Say hi. Okay, cute.
They're over there. Irene's over here. And we are walking out. Wait, I'm coming at you. Okay. We've had our fun. And it's super hot now, so we're out.
Okay guys, we are done with the beach and we're all gonna go and eat like dessert or something.
Wait, I just want to drink. Are you excluding me?
That would be like, it's hard to include all like 6 of us.
It's not bad.
Don't flip the thing, no, why are you doing it? No! Okay, that's enough.
Let's sing yourself. Oh, Shake Shack.
Yeah, it is. Okay, we're gonna go to Shake Shack and grab some food and sit and talk and stuff. Our glasses just died.
This train is bound for Vigo City Station.
Yeah, the thing just said we are on the, what is a tram? A
Next
train.
stop, Imbian Station.
Fake MRT back to Vigo. And we're gonna eat lunch there. And then we're gonna go to a photo booth. And we're gonna hold up Vicky. Why are you looking at me like that? We're gonna hold up Vicky and take the.
Yeah. She's gonna like do the pose.
Yeah, they're all over there on that side. Because they hate us. So look at those two goons. Okay. So we're at Solace Studios now. And we are, guys, show your faces. They look like murderers. So we are going to take pictures at the photo booth. We're just waiting, like homos on the floor. And they're up there because they think they're better than us. We're at Solace Studios and we just finished our thing. Show it. Okay, it's quite cute. It was a bit of a mess, but this place is a vibe. Oh my god, look, it's Mina's ancestors.
Oh my god.
On a page. Viet Smith.
Yeah, open it.
Open.
sharing it.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at it, so good.
Okay, we are getting beef pho. These two are undecided.
Yeah.
Indecisive queens.
Yeah. So it looks so good. Where's your beef not cooked?
Squeeze.
Why is it not squeezing?
Okay. Dig in, guys. It's our Toothless! Oh my god, wait, I freaking love Toothless, bro.
Same, bro.
Why is it $25 just for Toothless? Oh, bye. So I'm going for a run right now and my back really stings. I don't know if you can see the suntan on my back, but it really stings, and I hope it doesn't sting while running. I will be back and I'll be running in the next clip. So this is probably my longest video yet, but thank you for watching my beach vlog. Okay, see you tomorrow.